Keep it real, keep it original, and let your channel grow organically. Absolutely. When it comes to building a channel or any form of content creation, authenticity and originality are paramount. Audiences are drawn to creators who stay true to themselves and offer something unique. Trying to imitate others or force growth through artificial means often leads to a lack of genuine connection with viewers. By staying authentic, you build trust with your audience, which is crucial for long-term success. Letting your channel grow organically means allowing it to evolve naturally over time. This might mean experimenting with different content formats, listening to feedback from your audience, and staying patient as your following gradually grows. Ultimately, creating content that you're passionate about and staying true to your voice is the best way to attract an engaged and loyal audience.